sure to cook. Today we're going to be doing meatball subs. We're going to do everything homemade. Then I'm going to add a little Creole seasoning inside of there. I'm going to give this a great stir. Look at that, guys. I am good to go. I hear you. Yes. Oh my God, that is wonderful. So that was about 4 to 5. Come back. Bye. Welcome back to another episode of Be Sure to Cook. Today, we're going to be making grilled barbecue chicken. So stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, before we start getting our chicken out, cleaning it up, we're going to make the rub. So we're going to start off with some brown sugar, light brown sugar at that. And I'm only going to use 1/3 cup of light brown sugar, which I've already got it ready for everyone. Okay. Then I'm going to be using a 1/2 teaspoon of these seasonings. Mrs. Dash blend. You know that commercial? I put that on everything. This is me with Mrs. Dash. I'm going to add that into our brown sugar. I'm also going to add some garlic powder into our brown sugar. Remind you all it's the same 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, paprika. Okay, then white pepper, I'm putting in 1/4 teaspoon. Why am I putting in such little of this pepper? Is because the Mrs. Dash has already got a little bit of pepper already in there, so I don't want to overwhelm. But white pepper and black pepper got two different flavors to me. They both taste pepperish, but white pepper is a little bit different flavor. Okay, the good old Bay seasoning. I'm going to be going back to my 1/2 teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning. Put that in there. And then I've got a 1/2 teaspoon of Hickory smoked. All these good flavors mixed together. And we want to make sure we mix that together very, very well. I want to make sure we get all that in there. You can use any type of chicken you want. You can use the breast, the wings, the legs, the thighs, the back, whatever you like in a chicken. Personally, myself, I am using thighs. Thighs are juicier to me. They come out a lot better. And breast is good too if you like breast. I'm really not a real good breast person, but I can be. It's just a little bit kind of dry, but you can make it juicier. You can make it anyway. I happen just to like thighs. But you can make thighs just as juicy and make it just like breast if you know how to do it right. That means removing all fat and skin off. But we're going to leave the skin on for flavor, but we're going to be removing that after I cook it and I eat it. I will not be eating the skin. Me, I won't, but you can. But we're going to flavor these up. We're going to cut all the fat, get them all together, rinse them off. We're going to put that rub on. We're going to let this sit in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours. All right, we have this big container that I got that we're going to stick all our chicken in, and we're going to put the rub in. We're going to do everything in here, put the top on it, put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. Okay, so here is my chicken. I just left it in the strainer after I washed it, let everything strain, because I really don't want all that water. So this has been sitting for a minute. and I cleaned it all up. Don't these look great? So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna place these chickens. And like I told you, these are all thighs. You can do any type chicken you want. We already discussed that, so I don't have to keep discussing it anymore. Okay, so I'm just gonna lay these in here. All right, I'm gonna dispose of this. Okay, this is the rub. Got me a little scooper, and I'm just going, because see, by me just taking this and just shaking it, I'm going to get big hunks, and I want to kind of like spread it, make it all even. I'm just better with a little scooper, me, because this is going to be massaged. And I'm only using like 1/8 of a quarter cup just to sprinkle this, but you can sprinkle it with a spoon. You don't have to be. And I'm just going to do 2 of these. Now it's time to work magic. I'm just going, I'm sorry, I'm flopping it over my, the person that filmed. Sorry about that. You got him a little bit of sweet brown sugar on him. Okay, after I massage that, I'm going to go ahead and add another layer of this on. I'm probably not going to do all of it. You can always take this, you can put this in a nice Ziploc bag, you know, something safe, maybe like a freezer bag or just a storage bag or whatever. And you can take this, you can make this up, you can take it, store it, and you can store it in your cabinet because it's just sugar, you know, just like brown sugar you store. Or you can actually put it in your refrigerator if you want to keep that maybe, better for you if you want to. It's up to you. But most people just store it into the pantry. Okay, I'm going to take these babies and I'm going to let them sit in the refrigerator 24 hours. We're going to put these on the grill. Okay, I got some tongs and I got my paper towel that has olive oil on it. Okay, I got my pan and my utensils all ready, and I got my chicken that's marinated. Let me show you a picture of my chicken. And there it is. We're going to stick this baby on the grill.